Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by checking essentials. Make sure your Vivo Y91 is unlocked, charged above 20%, and connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Once done, you'll need the DNS numbers you want to use. Save both primary and secondary addresses. Now open Settings and go straight to the network area. Don't wander through unrelated menus. I'm showing a fast path so you can change DNS immediately. This initial focus avoids wasted taps and gets you ready for the configuration steps that follow. You'll continue by tapping Settings, then Wi-Fi, and selecting the network you're on. This opens network details where IP options live. Once there, switch IP settings from DHCP to static so DNS fields become editable. This is how Vivo exposes manual DNS. Enter the primary DNS in the DNS1 slot and the secondary DNS in DNS2, then save. This forces the phone to use your chosen resolvers. Make sure to keep the same IP address values if you didn't intend to change them. To finish, restart Wi-Fi or reboot the Vivo Y91 so the new DNS takes effect. This clears caches and forces reconnection. You should verify by loading a couple of websites or using a DNS check app to confirm the resolver IP. Check response time to ensure performance. If pages don't load, switch back to DHCP or re-enter DNS addresses exactly. Typos are common. As a single troubleshooting tip, clear the browser cache and restart the phone before assuming the DNS itself is.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.